Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Allein. All alone by yourself. Allein. But don't worry, we won't let it get depressing. Allein. 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 The EI combo will always be pronounced as I. Allein meaning alone, by oneself, or on your own. Allein is mostly used as an adverb, but can also be an adjective and even conjunction. Let's check some examples and see how it works in different sentences. Ich habe meine Hausaufgaben allein gemacht. I did my homework by myself. Yeah, you can brag a little. Bist du allein? Are you alone? Wir waren ganz allein im Wald. We were completely alone in the woods. Sie waren endlich allein. Finally, they were alone. Das Porto allein kostet schon zu viel. The shipping itself costs too much already. Jemanden allein lassen. To leave someone alone. Lass mich allein. Leave me alone. Ganz allein. All on one's own. Or in a compound like this. Der or die Alleinerziehende. Single father or mother. We learned the word allein, which we will mostly use as an adverb, meaning alone, by oneself, or on your own. Time for a little exercise or Übung. How would you say this in German? Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Check out if you won your course and see the correct answers in the next lesson. Good luck! Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!